Hello guys, welcome back to this channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to make talking photo with AI for free. Okay, let's get into it guys. We're going to use Pippit AI to make talking photo. So first of all, make sure you go to the Pippit AI website. Then you're going to sign in. And after that, you're going to select this feature, AI talking photo. I'm going to click on try it now. And okay, we need to drop our photo here. I'm going to select a photo from my device. I'm going to use AI photo and we can crop it, but I'm just going to leave it like that. Click on done and don't forget to click this checkbox to confirm and agree that we own the rights to. I'm going to click on next. Okay, then we're going to add our script and upload audio clip. And for the script, I'm just going to add, hello guys, welcome to this channel. Okay, like this, and I'm going to click on save. Then you can change the voice. I'm going to choose this one, and we can click on confirm. And we can also show it as caption, but I'm going to turn it off. Okay, then you can describe the pose, gesture, or camera movement, but it's optional. Once you're done setting the script and also the gesture and movement, you can click on export and you will need 20 credits. Okay, then I'm going to click on download. And hold on, it's still loading guys. Okay, and the photo is ready and I'm going to download it. And I'm going to play it guys. Oh, it's already downloaded.
Hello guys, welcome to this channel.
Okay, this is the result. Alright, and that's how we can create talking photo with Pippit AI. If you're curious and want to try it yourself, you can check out Pippit AI. The link is in the description below. Thank you so much for watching and bye!